Well, Montana is lagging behind the nation when it comes to COVID-19 vaccinations. 50% of the country is vaccinated so far, but according to the state's tracking map, Montana is just about 42%. Q2's Mitch Laggy brings us a look at the latest numbers.
As of Wednesday, Yellowstone County was lagging behind the state when it comes to the number of fully vaccinated people, clocking in at 40% compared to the state's 42%. However, the number of vaccinated people is helping keep the COVID-19 virus at bay in the county, according to Yellowstone County Health Officer John Felton.
Yeah, I don't think there's any doubt of that. The higher it goes, I think that baseline will actually drop lower than it currently is. For the last 3 months, we have been at essentially the same level of cases. We've been at essentially the same level of hospitalizations. Deaths have slowed down blessedly. But I think this is kind of what our baseline is going to be.
Yellowstone County isn't quite in the top 5 of Montana counties with the most fully vaccinated people. As of Wednesday, the top counties were Missoula at 54%, followed by Deer Lodge, Silverbow, Lewis and Clark, and Lake counties. On the flip side, counties at the bottom of the list for fully vaccinated people are Garfield at 21%, followed by Powder River, Webo, Macomb, and Carter counties. Felton encouraged more people to get vaccinated. He said more of the world opens back up for a person after they've had their shot.
We're about to finish school, but school is going to start again before we know it. People are going to want to go on vacation. There are some places that make it a little more difficult if people aren't vaccinated. So it really is a very safe and effective way to really get much more sense of comfort of being out and about.
Felton said there are probably 3 groups of people when it comes to vaccinations. Receptive people, who have likely already had their shot. Hesitant people, who are on the fence about one thing or another. And resistant people, who will likely take more convincing to get their shot.
So our focus really now is how can we get to that vaccine hesitant population, educate them, help them feel more comfortable, make it easier to get vaccinated. They're very safe, they're very effective. So I'm hopeful that people just get a little more comfort with it.
The community vaccination site at the Shrine Auditorium in Billings will close at the end of the month. Riverstone has shifted vaccine efforts to smaller outreach clinics at businesses, churches, and schools. To schedule a free outreach clinic, call Riverstone at 406-651-6410. In Billings, Mitch Laggy, MTN News.
All right, thanks so much, Mitch. Now here's a look at the next few free vaccination clinics hosted by Riverstone. Staff will be at Lockwood High School a week from today, June 2nd from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. On June 3rd at Elysian School from 10 a.m. to noon. People ages 12 and older are welcome to walk in and receive a dose from Pfizer or Johnson & Johnson. Now kids under 18 must bring a consent form signed by a parent or guardian.